Number of children are depending on the county for help. According to county numbers, Hamilton County Children's Services is caring for roughly 20,000 of the county's vulnerable children, and that demand is only expected to rise in the years to come. 9 on your side's Brianna Malloy reports on why that number keeps going up and what the county might do to help out.
Well, the numbers are increasing. Public workers are struggling to meet the need, and they say it's all tied to the opioid crisis.
Because you have all these emotions you're dealing with.
As a counselor at the Center for Addiction Treatment, Samantha Jamison has treated both addicted parents and their children.
The kids are wanting their parents to get well, wanting their parents to find recovery, but depending on the age, not understanding why can't my mom get up and play with me.
But a report released by the Children's Services Levy Review is now allowing us to see the scale of the crisis.
I think my gut reaction is we got to do better.
That report shows the number of children in the county's care rising from around 16,000 in 2015 to over 20,000 in 2017. And it projects that those numbers will continue to rise to almost 30,000 by 2021.
JFS can't keep up with it. As a county, we can't keep up with it.
And not only is the opioid crisis contributing to an increase in the amount of children, it's also contributing to the complexity of cases and to the length of time children stay in the county's care. Before, the goal was to reunite families within a year, but with most heroin treatment programs taking longer than that, they've had to adjust expectations.
What we're seeing is just this extended period of impact where kids are suffering for a longer period of time than we've seen in the past.
And increased caseloads have led to increased costs. According to the Levy Review, Children's Services will have to cut all of these services in 7 months to stay within their budget. Services which include mental health and adoption services. To meet this need, the Levy Review Committee has recommended increasing property taxes.
So I think that's what we need to do is educate our voters.
This new levy will be debated over the following months. But for now, one thing is clear. These numbers show the impact that this crisis has had.
We have to do something different. I just think what we're doing now is not enough.
And as for that levy, the Hamilton County Commissioners have until August to decide whether or not to put it on the ballot. Brianna Malloy, 9 on your side.